So you know we get all festive around here, and this is the first year I kept my Christmas tree up. Christmas tree turned Valentine's tree, turned St. Patrick's Day tree, and then will be an Easter tree. And I want to show you these really cute eggs. These eggs are rope wound, and they come in a variety of colors. I have purple and green, blue, orange, yellow. There's two different sizes, even though I do have a big size of the yellow, and then the little you can see here. We have like, this is kind of like a pinkish, and I don't know if you could really see that it's kind of pink color there, but I do have a pink and a kind of like a middle pink orange kind of thing, a different color green. Like I said, there are two different sizes. I have a whole bowl here. And if you want to get these, I have a link down in the description, and you'll be able to get some of these yourselves. I am going to show you some other Easter egg finds that I have found. And these are going to go over there on my tree, but not until St. Patty's Day is over, because I kind of like the tree now. You saw it, right? And I forgot to tell you, there's 36 in here. 36.